Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this 5th generation Echo Dot with a clock. So around back we've got the seal. Let's open the seal. Just slide it, and then these things are really easy to open. Here's everything that comes in the box. Alright, we've got the Echo Dot with the clock. You really can't see it till you plug it in. We got the power cord and an instruction manual. Okay, so here's everything that comes with it. Here is the power supply. You're going to have to plug this in and then plug this in right here, right in the back. So in the back, it only has one power cord and that's it. There's what the bottom looks like. Got some buttons up here and the clock's going to be on the front. This is a 15 watt power supply. You can plug it into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 12 volts, 1.25 amps. All right, so the plug-in's about 2 3/4, inch and 3/4 that way. Depth-wise, about 1.5 inches. This stands about 3.5 inches by about almost 4 inches that way. It does stick out the back. Oh, I'd say about almost 4.5 inches. Okay, so I just plugged it in. The blue light comes on. Let's see what happens.
Instructions in your Alexa app.
Okay.
Hola, vamos a empezar. Instala la app.
Okay, so mine automatic. I didn't have to do anything. It just connected to my account, and now it displays the clock. Now, if I want to turn it up or down, or up or down, there's the circle that goes around. That's the volume. I can silence it. Turns red. So in the manual, it tells you what the light means. Blue, it's listening. Orange, it needs setup. Yellow, notification. Green, incoming call. Purple, do not disturb mode. Red, microphone is off. So I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.